We will begin with making a new layer, and we're going to want to name that layer planet. So we go to the marquee tool and make sure you're on the elliptical marquee tool so we can create a circle. And you want to make your circle a pretty big size so you can make the base of your planet. Then make sure you're still on your planet layer and pick a pretty good color so you can make your planet. It doesn't matter what color. And I'm gonna go with a bluish color. And we're gonna go to the paint bucket and fill it in. And we have the base to our planet. We want to make sure we select our planet by command and press the layer. And now we have the marching ants around it. So we want to go to the tools and we want to select the burn tool. Now we are assuming that our light source is on this side, but depending on your environment, you will decide where you want your shade to be. So we're going to decide it's on the left top corner, and we're going to shade this part in, kind of in a curvy way. And it's starting to get a little bit more 3D-ish looking. And then we want to go to the same spot where we got our burn tool and go to dodge, which will make it lighter. And we're going to go to this side, which is the light source. And that is how we can get it to look a bit more realistic. We want to go to File, Place, and we're going to choose the texture I want to use. So, Place. And you're going to make your texture just a little bit bigger than your planet and push enter. You want to select your planet's texture and go to 10%. Then you would select your planet's pixels but remaining on the texture layer and go to select inverse, press delete. Then remain on your texture and you can merge them by command and clicking both layers and go to control, click on them and merge the layers. Now you would want to burn it again so it can give you a little bit more 3D looking view to it. So we're going to burn it. Now you want to create a new layer above your planet and select your circle, your planet, but fill in your new layer with the same color you chose, just a little bit lighter. And I'll go to the paint bucket and fill that layer. And there we have it. Now we are creating the atmosphere, which will give it a bit more depth. Then we want to kind of create an atmosphere to the planet to make it look more realistic. So we're going to go to layer, layer style, inner glow. And for this, we're going to set the blend mode to normal, the opacity to 20, and the color, we'll try choosing a very light color, close to white, but not white, just make it close. Set the choke to 0, which is there. And the size, well, you want that to be the whole way. So we're going to go with 250 pixels. And we're going to push OK. And now it gives it atmosphere. Go to layer, again, layer style, and now press outer glow. We want the outer glow to be normal. We want the opacity to be 50. And we want the color to be about the same color you use for your inner glow. Your spread 0, so just leave it like that. And your size, you want that to be 70. And now it gives it a great outer glow. I have now completed the technique for making a planet And I hope this helps you sometime in the future. Thank you for watching.